We would like to help you make sure you don't miss an important email from Bayeast. So here are some tips on setting up your email program to make it easier for you to spot emails from Bayeast. Since nearly half of our members use Gmail, we'll start with a few tips specifically dealing with using Gmail. A while back, Gmail decided to do something they thought would help their users. They split the normal inbox into 5 tabs with the idea that Google would file incoming emails into one of the 5 tabs. So now you have to look in 5 places to find emails that normally would go to a single location. This is how Google files incoming messages. Primary. Person-to-person conversations and messages that don't appear in other tabs. Most emails will go here. Social. Emails from social media accounts. Promotions. Deals, offers, and other marketing emails. Unfortunately, this is where a lot of Bayeast emails end up. Updates. Auto-generated updates including confirmations, bills, etc. Forums. Messages from online groups, discussion boards. Let's get rid of those extra tabs. Click on the Settings gear and select Configure Inbox. Then uncheck all the boxes. And click Save. Now all your emails appear in a single inbox. Here is a way to automatically indicate incoming emails from Bayeast. Click on the Settings gear and select Settings. Click on Filters and Blocked Address. Click on Create a new filter. In the From box enter *bayeast.org. Click Create Filter. Check *it. Check Never Send it to Spam. Check Also Apply Filter to matching conversations. Click Create Filter. Return to the inbox and you will see emails from Bayeast with a yellow star in front of them. You can use the Select option to highlight all of the starred emails. For Yahoo users, click on the Settings gear and select Settings. Click on Filters. Click on Add. Enter a filter name. For the criteria center from use contains *bayeast.org. Select a folder to deliver the emails to. You can create a new folder called Bayeast. Click Save. View Bayeast emails by going the Bayeast folder. We hope these tips will help make sure you never miss another important Bayeast email in the future. Thank you for watching.